Hello, this is Dr. Rick Hoefer, the instructor for the course. In this video, I want to talk with you about the reflections paper, which is due near the end of the semester. In fact, I think it's the very last assignment for the semester. All in all, the reflections paper is worth 10 points out of the 100, so it's a significant amount of points. This is an individual paper, so you're not supposed to write this with anyone else. This is really your reflections about what you have experienced over the course of the semester in this class. The first thing you'll do is you'll describe your approach to community and administrative practice. You maybe have already done a little bit of this in the weekly post, but if you didn't do it, that's okay. This is your chance to describe your approach. The second point that you'll make in this paper is to discuss the skills you have as a CAP practitioner at this point. It's expected that you will have learned a lot over the course of the semester, particularly about needs assessment and program planning. On the other hand, there's a lot left to know, and so this is where you get a chance to assess yourself. It will point out as you continue in your macro practice education sort of the things that you might want to focus on as best you can given the curriculum. This is an important part where you assess yourself and you look forward to how you can fill in the gaps. The third aspect is to decide and to discuss how you intend to use the skills that you have to enhance social work values, engage diversity and difference in practice, and advance human rights and social, economic, and environmental justice. These are the key things that CSWE wants every graduate to have in their skill set when they graduate. So that's why this is asked, in order to help you think about this particular aspect of your social work education and your social work future career. Finally, this part of the paper asks you to describe and discuss at least one ethical and/or professional behavior issue you encountered as you went through the course, and how did you address it. This isn't necessarily something that you yourself did, but something that you may have seen out in the field, in your internship, in your class, even in a different class. So these four elements make up the reflections paper and provide a guide and a structure for what you have to say. There's no particular page limit here. How much do you have to say, and how much space does that take? I hope that this short video will help you as you write up your reflections paper, which takes place after everything else in the course. You already have turned in everything else, so this will give you a chance to think about what you've learned, think about your career as a CAP practitioner, and become really comfortable with the ideas in the course.